Sun is shining, let's get out. See you smiling, makes me smile.
Hello, I'm Kimberly and welcome to Mendoza's Corner. We will spend 5 minutes each week discussing a topic related to the queer community. We'll define the topic, give you some cool facts about it, then provide some of our thoughts. This week's topic is homosexuality in animals. What is an animal? It's any living organism that feeds on organic matter, typically having a specialized sense organs and nervous system and able to respond rapidly to stimuli. As animals, our methods of communication vary, and just because humans do it one way does not mean other animals will do it the same. For this reason, it is not easy to assess homosexual behavior, but what is clear after observations in the wild is that homosexual behavior was not a human invention. Analyses done on these behaviors suggest that in primates, it serves diverse functions, such as appeasement, pacification, reinforcement of social dominance structures, juvenile play, social tolerance, stress reduction, and barter. Throughout this segment on animals, we will utilize an encyclopedic volume by Bruce Bagamill, which provides information and evidence on animal homosexual behavior. Hundreds of mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, fishes, insects, spiders, and invertebrates engage in same-sex sexual activity. I quote Summer and Bassi. What was once thought to be an aberration appears to be a behavioral pattern that is broadly, albeit unevenly, distributed across the animal kingdom. I'm excited for our final topic in this segment because we'll talk about one of the great ape species who are my favorite. But just to give you a sample of that, many monkeys and apes tend to exhibit sexual behavior in the wider context of social communication and exhibit same-sex mounting in various socio-sexual and bisexual contexts. Same-sex mounting is seen as an expression of dominance, while the one that is allowing the mounting to happen to them is expressing a subordinate status to the mounter. Same-sex mounting commonly occurs because it helps reduce escalated fighting by reiterating a dominance status quo.
Okay.
Homosexual behavior is common throughout the animal world and is not influenced by religion and politics in the wild. Animals just do.
Wow.
The existence of the evolutionary paradox, which is that the point of life is to procreate, likely exists because those who engage in homosexual sexual behavior fail to reproduce, coupled with cultural disapproval of homosexual behavior. I quote Savlanen and Hodgson, "If sexual preference is a continuous trait, influenced by many different genes of small effect, or some epigenetic marks canalizing a mosaic development, the persistence of homosexual behavior is not particularly surprising. It may be the case that some degree of bisexuality is actually an evolutionary optimum phenotype." We are always taking suggestions on topics for future episodes. Feel free to share with us a queer topic that you'd like for us to cover in 5 minutes or less. You can either comment or send us an email to info@iTiMiNak.com. Until next week.
Woohoo!